Halifax Christopher Garnier choked back tears as he testified Monday at his murder trial, telling the jury that off-duty police officer Catherine Campbell encouraged him to choke and slap her before she died. Garnier's lawyer, Joel Pink, opened the defense case by telling the 14-member Nova Scotia Supreme Court jury that Campbell, 36, died accidentally during rough sex that she had initiated. He then called his client to the stand. Garnier, 30, said he had broken up with his common-law girlfriend Brittany Francis on September 10, 2015 and went to stay at a friend's apartment on Macaulay Street in Halifax's North End. They smoked cannabis, drank alcohol and later went downtown to take his mind off the breakup and to celebrate Garnier getting a new job. Garnier said he met Campbell at the Halifax Ale House in the early hours of September 11, 2015. He said they danced and kissed before leaving the bar around 3:30 a.m. and going back to his friend's flat. There, Campbell asked Garnier if he was into domination. He said, "I didn't really say anything," said Garnier, who testified he had never participated in domination before and was caught off guard by the suggestion. He said he told her he didn't want to have sex and she said, "That doesn't mean we can't play." "She asked me to choke her," he said. "She told me it was okay and not to worry." He said he put pressure on her neck with one hand, but she asked him to squeeze harder, so he started using his other hand as well. He had both hands on her neck for 30 seconds, he said. "I don't think I was using very much force," said Garnier, who appeared emotional throughout his testimony as he spoke directly to the jury. "If she ever resisted, I would have stopped." They then moved to a pull-out couch in the den, he said. Pink asked Garnier, who was dressed in a dark sweater and dark pants, to step down from the witness stand and describe what happened next, using a table to imitate the mattress on the pull-out. He stood directly in front of the jury and walked backwards towards a rectangular table behind him, saying that he was leading Campbell to the bed and that she was walking backwards towards it. He laid down on the table, saying Campbell's head was at the foot end of the mattress. He leaned on his right side to describe how he was situated on Campbell, his right arm on her throat and his left arm fondling her. He said she asked him to slap her. "I did it 3 times, fast," said Garnier, adding that he wasn't looking at her face while he was slapping her because, "I was uncomfortable and embarrassed about what I was doing." He said she then grabbed his arm and pushed it on her neck, and that he felt his arm getting wet, and saw blood. Garnier said he went to get a towel and when he returned, she wasn't moving. He said he shook her shoulders and saw her open her eyes and gasp. "I could hear air come out of her lungs," said Garnier, who spoke with a low voice throughout his testimony and was asked to speak up numerous times. Garnier said he then vomited. "The image of Campbell lying motionless on the pull-out couch was imprinted in his mind," said Garnier. He said that at the time, he stepped back and repeated to himself, "She's dead." His vision became blurry and he felt sick to his stomach.